Hello, and you have reached the Weave Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland. Below, we have a alopecia client who has a lace frontal install. She has a torn lace frontal from misusage. Now it's time for her maintenance. It has been 6 to 8 weeks. Now we have re-glued her hairline. She can part from ear to ear. She has visible scalp in the front, so it appears to be natural as if it is growing off her scalp. This is our raw version hair. She has had it for about 2 years. Again, her hairline is beautiful. These curls are lasting long. She has minimal maintenance when she goes at home. Her curls have now been combed out. She now looks fabulous. She can now take the world on with added confidence and reassurance. For booking, please contact us at mainattractionshair.com or call us at 703-973-7146. Come to Main Attractions. We cater to you.